Friend, as you see, the topic human ear, but this is not my real topic. My topic is start with questions. The question is smallest bone which is found in our body. You give name smallest bone which is found in our body. Your answer is what? Stapes, which is found in ear. So on this topic we first of all generate some little bit diagram. This is roughly diagram. And friends, ear having three parts. First, external ear, middle ear, and internal ear, also known as labyrinth. So first part is, this part is known as pinna. This part is known as pinna, or you can say auricles. You can say auricles. And this part here, this is canal. This part is known as acoustic canal. Acoustic, that means sound. Because of this pinna collected this sound and goes inside this canal and obstacle the tympanic membrane. This is known as tympanic membrane. In other way you can say eardrum. So this is external part. External ear having three part: pinna or auricles. Second one is external acoustic canal, and third part is tympanic membrane. So friend, this is external ear, this is middle ear, and from this region is internal ear. So middle ear having what? Middle ear having three bones. First bone, this bone is connected to tympanic membrane, and this bone naming malleus, and after that incus, and this is stapes. That means smallest bone found in human body is known as stapes. So this is stapes, and this stapes is connected to cochlea. This is rounded like snail like. This is rounded of snail like. It is known as cochlea, and stapes is connected to cochlea and incus, malleus, incus, and stapes. So middle ear having ear bone, and external, after that external ear start. So friend, this is external ear. You see like human ear as like this, sorry, as like this. This is this part you hear. This part is known as lobule. This part is known as lobule, and here you can projection like this. You see like this. If you put a drop, any drop, inside the ear canal, then after reaching this middle ear, you push this part. This part is known as tragus. If you intermittent pressurize on this tragus, then any liquid goes inside the middle ear. If you want to, like this. Friends, you see here this region like that, and here this part is known as cartilage, because you see two parts, bone part and cartilage. So in human bodies, some part is made of bone and some part is made of cartilage. This is more flexible as compared to bone. So this is cartilage. So this part is known as cartilage. Here cochlea having some fiber like projection. This projection is known as internal acoustic meatus, metus, internal acoustic meatus. And this region here, you see, this region is known as pharyngotympanic tube, tube, sorry, pharyngotympanic tube. So this is my topic where all the external and internal middle ear are described, but on the next video we describe what is bone, each part of bone we describe. So my focus is here smallest body bones found in our body, that is stapes, and here we describe each part of ear bone. So thank you.